I'm Christine Johnson.
And I'm Maurice Dubois. It is a decision with implications reaching far and wide. CBS 2's Tony Aiello live in our newsroom now with more on tonight's nomination. Tony.
Maurice, the president's pick is 49 years old, so if confirmed, it is not unimaginable that he could be on the high court for 25 or 30 years. Judge Neil Gorsuch was one of the 21 names on that list Mr. Trump released during the campaign. The president says he picked the best of the best.
I promise to select someone who respects our laws and is representative of our Constitution and who loves our Constitution.
The president says he's done that with his pick of Neil Gorsuch. His reputation is a conservative who's not divisive. With degrees from Columbia, Harvard Law, and Oxford, Gorsuch has modeled his judicial philosophy after Antonin Scalia, the justice he would replace. He flashed a touch of Scalia-like wit Tuesday night.
It is the role of judges to apply, not alter, the work of the people's representatives. A judge who likes every outcome he reaches is very likely a bad judge, stretching for results he prefers rather than those the law demands.
As an appeals judge, Gorsuch ruled in the Hobby Lobby case, siding with the company which claimed religious principles protected it from paying for employee contraceptive care. His liberal hometown paper, the Denver Post, objected to that ruling but supports Gorsuch for the high court. So does former Obama administration lawyer Neil Katyal, who writes in the New York Times, Gorsuch has judicial independence. He will not compromise principle to favor the president who appointed him.
Neil Gorsuch has got to go!
Within minutes of the announcement, activists with professionally printed signs were in front of the Supreme Court, promising to fight Gorsuch and questioning his independence.
What promises did Mr. Gorsuch had to get that seat? So today we are asking questions about your independence.
After Republicans refused to vote on President Obama's Supreme Court pick, protesters want Democrats to return the favor with Gorsuch.
Democrats are going to give him a lot of trouble. The Democrats are very angry over what the Republicans did with Merrick Garland. So it's payback time.
Tonight, Senator Chuck Schumer says he has doubts about Judge Gorsuch being within the legal mainstream. Schumer is demanding the Senate require 60 votes for his confirmation, and that would mean at least 8 Democrats voting for Gorsuch. But Republicans might change the rules to confirm him with just a simple majority. Live in the newsroom, Tony Aiello, CBS 2 News.
Okay.